Jasmine. What are you doing? You're very busy this morning, my love. Did you find your feet? Or just your hands? You're just trying to figure out how to put stuff in your mouth, huh? Hello. Good morning. You're not supposed to be looking at the phone. You're supposed to be looking at mommy. Huh? Is this your feet? Oh, there they are. There's your feet. They're pretty cute looking. You got some cute feet. Hello. Hello, beautiful. Are you going to say anything? Hmm? Good. You can smile? You can smile for me?